Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a purse collection part 6. Yes, I can't believe I've done 6 of these so far. Yes, this is my 6th purse collection. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one, which makes 6. Y'all can go check all of those other purse collections out if you want. I'll leave a link in the description below so y'all can check those out. But yeah, let's get straight into it. My first purse that I'm going to start with is my Ruffles chip purse, only because it matches my outfit right now. This is what I wore in that actual picture. If you haven't seen the picture, you can check that out on my Instagram, AfroPuffJada. But yeah, definitely go check that picture out. This is the purse I decided to create to wear with this leather jacket right here. I ordered this leather jacket months ago and I couldn't find the perfect purse to match, or the perfect outfit. And I had this white tennis skirt. Well, it's not really a tennis skirt because it's white denim, if you understand what I'm saying there. But yeah, so I decided to pair that with this and a little white turtleneck. A little backstory, I actually cut my turtleneck in half to make it like a crop, just to get the vibe going, because it didn't look right with like the long full-size turtleneck, so I cut it in half, trimmed it and all that. But yeah, just a little bit backstory slash behind the scenes for y'all. Y'all know I got my Nike tears a while ago, so I was like, okay, I need to put these to use. And this jacket was perfect because it has like all the different color patches and it matched with almost anything, and the Nike tears was perfect. So yeah, I put all my pictures on the side of the screen so y'all can understand what I'm talking about. And then I didn't have a purse. The outfit really didn't come together until I thought of the purse. And I'm obsessed with these Ruffles cheddar and sour cream chips. These are my favorite chips right now. And when I was actually creating this outfit, I called my mom in my room like to try to help me pair the outfit together, just to ensure that everything was going on track and the outfit was looking right, okay? Because you know, when you create an outfit, you always need a second opinion. You ain't always got to listen to that second opinion, but it can be useful at times. So yeah, that's what I did. And she started snacking on my chips. So I'm looking at her snack on my chips and the jacket. I'm going back and forth, and I'm like, I'm going to make a chip purse. But yeah, and my caption was all that and a bag of chips, but I just feel like the caption was fitting for the purse, for these chips right here. Yeah, for my chip purse. And actually, Ruffles actually reached out to me and asked could they share my photo, and they loved the idea and everything. So I guess this outfit slash purse was a success. Let's get into the next purse. The next purse we have here is kind of mellow. It's just like a mail carrier bag. I just posted this picture yesterday. I don't know if you've seen it, but yes, on my Instagram at AfroPuffJada. Go check that photo out and let me know what you think about that outfit slash concept. But yeah, it's this mail carrier bag that actually came with my outfit, so I didn't have to search for a purse. Like, the purse was just handed to me. I didn't have to, like, you know how I have to always like create a purse because I couldn't find it. But this purse came with the outfit and it matched perfectly. It's a little mail bag. You can open it. Yeah, it's just like a little, I want to call it like a little pouch. But yeah, it's very lightweight. So when I took my photos, I had to stuff some stuff in here so it could just kind of like fill out the bag and it wouldn't look so light. You know, I had the packages and everything to go with my purse. And a lot of people was confused that this was my purse. They thought the USPS tent that I had was my purse, but no, that was an actual, I tried to make like a replica of the United States Postal Service building, because yeah, I was supposed to be at work. So yeah, that was work and this was my purse. And you know, any job wouldn't allow my extravagant purses, so I had to keep it mellow. So this was my purse for this one. I actually had a tent here and I'll show it to y'all. I've been looking at this tent for like months now. I've been knowing about it for a while now, so I was like really tempted to pair this tent with my outfit because it would just be perfect. But yeah, let me try to place the tent up here so y'all can see it. But this is how the bottom looks. The tent is so big it won't fit in the whole photo, but y'all get the idea. And to see the full tent, you can check out my Instagram. My full tent is on there because yeah, it's not enough room right here to show the tent because I'm telling you, it is huge. But yeah, that was my second purse. And another thing about my chip purse, the chips are still in here. This bag hasn't been opened because people suspected or thought I opened the bag of chips. No, I did not open the bag of chips. This is a purse. This is my chip purse. I would never eat my purse. And the chips doesn't actually expire until March 8th. I don't plan on eating these chips because, like I said, this is my purse. But yeah, the photo a couple weeks ago, and yeah, the chips are still inside. Yeah. My next purse is the purse that had everybody talking. I actually didn't think that it was going to do like that much. It was just like, I'm telling you, like when I think of the purses, I think they're just like, they're regular purses to me. I don't think it's extravagant or whatever. But yeah, when I create my purses, I'm not really thinking like, oh, this is going to be, they're going to go crazy over this. I have literally no idea, because the purses that I use and the ones y'all go crazy over is the ones that I'll be like, okay, wow, I just thought that was just like regular. Even like the cereal purse. But yeah, it just be like everyday purse to me, you can say. But next is my water right here. Here's the scrap. I will admit, this purse is heavy. Like, it's a 24 pack of Aquafina, so yeah, it's going to be pretty heavy. I know a lot of people like, how did I hold it to take the pictures and all that? And yes, I held it the entire time. And the water is, it's water in here. I don't know if you could, y'all can see the water moving. But yeah, I have, I'm resting it on my knees because it's heavy. But yeah, this is my water purse. Let me try to, I don't know if it's too short, but yeah, this is my water purse that I took pictures in earlier this month. Well, when y'all get this, that I took pictures in last month. Took pictures on, I think I posted these photos on January the 2nd. And yeah, y'all went crazy over it. Everybody wanted to know, how did I carry the water? I just literally put it on my shoulder like I'm doing now, and I just carry. The reason why I created this purse, because I was listening to Doja Cat's song, Get Into It. I don't know if y'all heard that song, but she has a song lyric that says, y'all need to get into my drip like y'all need water. And I had this blue outfit, and I was like, a water purse would be bomb with that. And just not a single bottle, a whole 24 pack of water. I feel like that was the perfect purse to go with that, because y'all need to get into my drip like y'all need water. And I really felt like y'all needed to get into my drip. So what other way to express that than to have a water purse? And the water purse was fitting, but fitting for that entire outfit, because everything was blue. And yeah, even my shoes was blue. So yeah, it really came together. And that was one of my photos. The water purse was one of my photos that went really viral, because everybody's like, how is she holding this water? She gotta be strong. Woo, wah, wah. But yeah, it was actual water. Yeah, and the water purse is actually a lot heavier than the TV purse that everybody went crazy over. And yes, the water purse is a lot heavier than the TV purse. Like a TV, like a flat screen, is heavy, but it's like doable. This is just heavy. Like, this little thing holds weight. I'm telling you, like, this is heavy. This is by far one of the heaviest purses that I've ever carried before. And I didn't think, a lot of people said I should have emptied the water bottles and all that stuff, but I felt like it would have took away the it factor of the purse by me taking out all of the water, because it would be no fun. Like, the fun part is trying to carry. And this is definitely a hack. Like, when you need to bring the water in from taking your groceries, you can always add a purse strap to it, or bonnet scrap, or y'all like to say, y'all think this is not a bonnet scrap. It's just like the same kind of, like, it's similar to a bonnet, but this is not a bonnet scrap. This is a purse scrap. Yeah, I got a lot of opinions on this water purse. I don't know if y'all haven't seen, even on it went really viral on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, because everybody's trying to figure out how I'm carrying it. But yeah, I'm just literally just carrying it. It's my purse. I know a lot of y'all said I should have chose a lighter purse, but this was the perfect purse for my outfit. But that's all we have for this purse collection, y'all. We have 3 purses again. I know I told y'all last time I was gonna try to get more purses, but that's all I have for now. I will come back when I have some more. I like to take photos and then show y'all the purses and all that, because I'm gonna be having no idea what purse I'm gonna use. I haven't bought like a purse in a while. As soon as I buy more, I'll show y'all those, and yeah, we'll create purses together. I also have a lot of purses over there in the corner of my room that I need to declutter. I need to declutter and I need to organize my purses over there. So I might do a cleaning video for y'all, and I'll upload it this week. Let me know if you're interested in seeing that. I'm probably just gonna upload it anyway because I have a lot of decluttering that I need to get done. Show y'all more of my purses there. Thanks for watching, and we're out.